Okay, so we're back with the Lasonic TRC-975. Repaired the potentiometer last time, and now the playback on tape B works very well. Playback is fine. Can fast forward, can rewind, can play, no problem, right? Okay, we have an issue though with tape A, where definitely running slow. Okay, so that could be a belt problem, it could be sticky reels or something like that, right? So I'm going to have a look at the back, clean it off and oil it. Okay, so I'm just going to give the rear of tape deck A a little bit of a clean. Got some solvent. Let's give it a little spray. Let's see if that can clean it out a little bit. Okay, and looking inside the tape deck itself, you can see it's pretty dirty. So I'm going to give that a clean with a bit of alcohol on the playback heads, as well as a bit of solvent in there, just to clean off any residual dirt. It's pretty clean, nothing coming off. Yeah, bit of dirt there. Okay, back with the Lasonic box, the TR-975. Okay, so what we've done is I've cleaned it up, I've cleaned the mechanism, I've oiled it, I've cleaned the heads, and then it was still pretty slow, to be honest, so I replaced this belt. This belt was looking pretty loose, and I noticed that it wasn't spinning as fast as this one, so I replaced the belt with something similar, nice and tight now, and it does spin nicely and it keeps time. They both keep time together. So let me just demonstrate that. Okay, so you remember that tape deck B was working okay. Just keeping nice speed, sounds okay. And then tape deck A. Also the same. Alright. So just a belt replacement was all that was needed. And a clean. Okay, so back to the back. Right, to change the belt, it's quite simple. You remove these 4 screws. Here and here. Okay. And the tape deck just kind of pops out, and you can reach around and put the belts in. Quite easy. Okay. So I will be removing this deck again. I'll have to replace the button at the front. Replacement button. I've ordered it. It's coming from Europe somewhere. This one here is chipped. So I will take the deck out again at some point and change that button. Okay, thank you.